Well, what do we have here? A Volkswagen in need of some tender, loving care. On this episode, we'll be providing tips for a well-maintained interior and exterior. A well-protected exterior isn't just a pretty facade, it's your vehicle's first line of defense from the elements, from sun and rain to bird droppings and road grime. A well-maintained exterior can preserve your car's resale value and prolong its lifespan. A worthy investment, if you ask me. Exhibit A. Place a wet tissue over it and leave it for a while. Let the bird grime absorb the moisture, then wipe it away. Once bird dropping dry off, removing it immediately can scratch the paint surface. Think about it, your Volkswagen interior is where you spend most of your time in. Keeping it clean and comfortable is essential. Inspect your interior regularly for any signs of wear and tear, mold or mildew. Catching these issues early can save you from costly repairs down the road. Not a speck in sight, that's more like it. Would you look at that? Your car just went from meh to... Now whether you're short on time or feeling a little bit lazy, here at Volkswagen Service Center, we've got you covered with a wide range of detailing packages.